Good morning, free thinkers. Good morning, good morning, good morning. You know, I think the government should be more involved. I mean, the government is already too big, but to me, some of the stuff that need to put in place is to protect homeowners, right? Some of us have 15-year mortgages, and some of us have 30-year mortgages, and with car notes, car insurance. The issue I'm having here is that in Asheville and even in Florida, Atlanta, now California, with all these devastation and these acts of natures, that you could be paying 20 years insurance. You could be paying your mortgage for 20 years, your car insurance, your life insurance, and then natural disaster comes and these insurance company pull out. They just pull out. You've been paying for 30, 25 years and they just pull out, leaving you with no options of rebuilding. So I hear people say they're going to rebuild, but how are you going to rebuild if the insurance company is not even willing to honor the value of your property? And there are going to be some who have the money to build, but what sense does it make if I rebuild my house here and then the rest of the block look like it was bombed, or the rest of the neighborhood look like it was bombed? Everybody don't have the resources to come back together. I'm looking at people here in Asheville that the town that they worked in, their business is no longer there, but the car dealership, the bank have the loan, still wants a payment. The mortgage company still want their mortgage. Where am I supposed to get this from if I'm not working? Where am I supposed to get this from? People said that under the administration that's going out, that $750, it wasn't a grant, it was a loan that you have to now pay back. Where am I getting all this fund from to pay back when I don't have a job? How's the American people always been put in a situation to where we have to figure out a way how we're gonna make ends meet, but we could send billions to other places to make sure that their ends are met? We got to hold these insurance companies accountable that when a natural disaster comes, you don't go, oh, well, it's a natural disaster. We could pack up and leave. No, you know the fact that where you gave me insurance, right? There's a possibility that it's not work out. Where we live in North Carolina, they said 100 years was the last earthquake. And we came here one time and noticed the foundation of the property. You could see it. You see the crack in the ground, and we started asking them, "Oh yeah, we had a earthquake down here in North Carolina." Yes, we contacted the insurance company because we saw some structural damages around the property, and they said, "Oh yeah, you guys are not covered for earthquake because the last one was 100 years." Who give a crap how long was the last one? You know that previously there was a earthquake here. Now they gave us earthquake insurance. But the damage on the property, we had to insure that. We had to pay for that. The structure, we had to fix the structure. Now we have the insurance. Some of these locations don't offer you flood insurance. So now there's a flood. Now they're going to offer it to you. But how am I supposed to pay this if I don't have money? I don't have a job. The car dealership wants their money. How am I supposed to pay all these things where the job that I went to every day for the past 25 years is no longer existent, but the company, the banks, the insurance company are still calling me for money? President Trump, when you get into office, you got to fix this. They just cannot, at a whim, pull out and leave the American people hostage with no way to rebuild. Now, if you're going to honor the 30 point something billion dollars, where that's a drop in the bucket that these insurance companies have made to rebuild these neighborhoods, then I'm for it. But you guys should not be able just pull out out of whim and leave the American taxpayers holding the bag. Just something to think about, free thinkers. Free thinkers, good morning.